Hello guys, so kumusta kayo? Kumusta ang araw nyo guys? How are you this afternoon? Have a good day and everyone. Miming, o yun. While raining guys, ayun. Umuulan-ulan sa labas. Dahan-dahan ang ulan guys. Sa nakikita nyo, ayun. We are raining. So, yun, si Miming din, nag-after din ng yan, expect din yan si Miming ng merienda, basta alam niya mag-coffee-coffee ako. So, medyo na-busy tayo kanina, guys. Ayun. Linis-linis ako ng kuko. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Have a blessed day to all and keep safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless.